KOKO sells a low-cost 2-burner cooker stove that uses ethanol. So it's a clean cooking solution that provides an alternative to people who are currently cooking using dirty cooking fuels. At KOKO, we find it unacceptable that people have to settle for charcoal and kerosene as the only cooking solutions available to them. There should be something better. We believe that for the low-income consumer, they shouldn't have to keep settling. And thus, KOKO as the solution that they can trust. By nature, they don't trust. For them to buy something, they really have to trust. They don't have money to waste, so to speak. Building trust is a process. So how did we do that? Who was the trusting agent that we identified? The local shopkeeper who they buy from every day. So we went to the shopkeepers within the low-income areas and we have identified them as agents of KOKO cookers and KOKO fuel. There's someone, there's a face, there's a person they can actually talk to. We know a lot of the low-income people operate day by day. They literally have jobs that they earn different amounts every single day. They need to be able to purchase fuel for them to cook on that day. So this works very well for people depending on the amount of money you have, from as little as 30 shillings to 161. So it's very convenient. You're not tied to you have to earn 200 shillings, 300 shillings for you to be able to make use of this. I believe we have enabled a lot of mothers, a lot of fathers to be able to give their children hot meals for that 30 shillings. As they make purchase decisions, somewhere in their head they're thinking about the environment and about, is it sustainable? Let's hope KOKO starts that thought process.